Hey everyone, I want to take you through what's inside my everyday carry bag. I generally carry this bag around for errands and when I leave my house, which isn't often due to the pandemic. I use this small black bag from Uniqlo as it is light and tough. I also mainly like the color and the material they used. The bag has 3 pockets, an outer button pocket, a main zip pocket with a divider, and a back zip pocket. The strap is also tough and adjustable. Starting with the outside of the bag, I attached a leather alcohol spray bottle to make sure I can easily spray my hands and surfaces before I touch them. In the outer button pocket, I keep a pocket organizer which I use to keep my tools. I sometimes keep this in my pants pocket as well when I don't want to bring a bag. I carry this green camouflage electric lighter, which I attached a paracord fob to so I could easily pull it out in case of emergencies. This electric lighter also happens to be a flashlight with 3 modes: bright, dim, and strobe light. Up next, I always carry a pen with me in case I need to sign anything. This pen has a small blade which can be used to open letters and packages. This next one is a generic multi-tool I got last Christmas. I attached a leather fob to it, and so far it's been proven useful to carry around. At the back pocket, I keep some band-aids and alcohol pads. You can also store bills here, or maybe receipts and ID cards. Next up, we have the back zip pocket where I keep an emergency whistle with a compass. Here I also keep a packable navy blue Voyage Coach jacket from Herschel. This is very useful, especially when it gets cold or suddenly rains. Now for the main zip pocket, I always keep an extra pack of face masks in the inside pocket. I usually carry a book or my Samsung tablet with me, but since the new year just started, I've been bringing this black leather journal, along with this bookmark I made out of spare leather, so I can easily document my thoughts while on the go. I carry this power bank that I got as a gift, which I found was enough to fully charge my Samsung Note twice. As with most people, I always bring extra tissue and wireless earphones. This is the Studio Fem with a leather fob that I made. Lastly, this is a small gerber knife I carry when I know I will be opening packages and boxes, or when I go grocery shopping. As you can see, this small bag is pretty spacious and can carry everything I need for my daily life here in Manila. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.